Hey guys, happy Wednesday. It is May 27th. And before we get into this week's assignment, I just want to say thank you to all of you who have 100% passing rate. If you're not sure what percent work completion you've done so far, your daily discovery this week or your Chem Catalyst this week is to log on to School Tool and figure out exactly what percent of the work you have complete. So if you log on and you see that you have a 67, you have completed 67% of the work. You need to complete a minimum of 65% of the work, and we only have about 4 more lessons counting today. So log on to School Tool and figure out what percent you have complete. If you see that you have 100, that means that you have done 100% of the work I have assigned, so thank you. I'm going to take you over to Schoology and show you this week's assignment. It is in the May 27th folder. This is part 2 of nuclear chemistry on fission and fusion. So when you click on the folder, you found this video, and then you're also going to see a crash course video on fission and fusion from Hank Green. You need to watch that video. It's about 10 minutes long. And then you're going to select one choice activity. So if I go into the choice activity folders, you have 3 to choose from. There is a shuttle launch today. I believe it's around 4 o'clock, but they're doing some pre-launch live stuff on SpaceX YouTube live all day long. So that's an option if you are interested in trying to catch that. This is a link to show you how to watch different parts of that live launch. So you could choose to do that. Second choice is a really short video on the Chernobyl disaster through the American Chemical Society. One of the greatest miniseries that I have seen has been Chernobyl on HBO Go. So if you happen to have access to HBO Go, I highly recommend watching that miniseries. But this is just a shorter recap of the Chernobyl disaster. And then the last is an article, and it's called Can Nuclear Power Save the Planet? So you only have to do one of these 3 this week, and then on your quiz, I'm going to ask you to summarize it in about 3 to 4 sentences. So just pick one and a little summary of your choice. Last but not least, there is a short quiz on fission and fusion, and then you are done for the week. Again, like I said, we are down to about 4 lessons left because June 17th is a Wednesday, and there will be an assignment that I have to put out that day. So after today, the clock is ticking. So before I say goodbye, I added one new folder on Schoology. For those of you missing work, go figure, it's called the Missing Work folder. And what you can do is to go back to any of these days that you might have missed assignments. I've tried to shorten them to the bare minimum so that you can complete what you missed in the shortest amount of time. So again, once you check Schoology, you'll be able to see exactly which dates and assignments you missed. And you can go to this folder, and hopefully it's a little bit easier for you to locate what you missed. All right, keep working. Thank you for all the hard work that you're doing. And I will be available if you need to check in with me. Just reach out. All right, have a good one.